Hey, hey, hey. Sitting on the beach. We've been working all day. Now we're taking a rest in the shade. And the water is really nice.
Are you going to go in?
And I'm thinking I want to go swimming. And I look like I've already been swimming because I'm all wet because I'm really hot.
You're always hot.
I know, right? I never know where to hold these darn things. And so yeah, I'll show you. It's really nice. You want to see? Yeah, it's calm out there. The waves are small. The water's clear and it's warm.
We want to bring you with us.
You want to go? So yeah, come and take a dip with me. Or maybe yes, I don't know if she's going to go in or not.
I don't know.
We'll see, stay tuned. Adios. Hey, I'm going to go. I'm going to go swimming. I'm going to go in the ocean. Haven't been in for ages. I'm going to go. Stairs. Run in. You're gonna get wet all over. I'm a little bit scared. Going in. Gonna get all wet. All over. You want to go in with me?
No. And the water's really nice and warm.
It is nice and warm. It's very nice and warm. Oh, a fish just jumped. Did you see that? That means there's fish out there. There's fish. I don't want that fish to get me. Okay, here I go. I just gotta wait till the waves are right. This one's coming in.
When you're going in the water, timing is everything. You have to time the wave just right. Wait for the set. It's a heavy set to finish. And then as soon as the wave goes, after not this one but the next one, she's gonna go. Okay, once this one goes, she's gonna run. Get through it. There you go.
Hope you like my little swim in the ocean. So like, share, subscribe, and adios.